Large-scale cement production depends on continuous material flow and tightly controlled mechanical systems operating without interruption. Cement factories are designed to transform raw minerals into structural material at massive industrial scale.
Cement manufacturing begins with limestone as the primary calcium-rich raw material. Mechanical crushing reduces limestone size for efficient downstream processing. Continuous conveyors maintain uninterrupted raw material delivery.
Size consistency supports stable chemical reactions later in the process.
Precise mineral proportioning determines final cement performance. Clay introduces aluminum and silica into the cement composition. Material blending begins before fine grinding. Raw mills convert mineral mixture into fine raw meal powder. Grinding efficiency determines energy consumption and output stability. Particle classification ensures uniform raw meal fineness. Pneumatic systems replace manual material handling. Chemical homogeneity is critical for kiln performance. Preheater towers prepare raw meal for thermal transformation. Heat exchange begins before kiln entry. Thermal energy is recovered to improve efficiency. Thermal balance stabilizes chemical reactions. The rotary kiln is the heart of cement manufacturing. Kiln rotation ensures uniform heat exposure. High-temperature combustion initiates clinker formation. Combustion stability defines clinker quality. Extreme heat drives irreversible mineral transformation. Limestone converts into clinker through chemical reaction. Rapid cooling preserves clinker structure. Controlled cooling improves material strength. Finished clinker becomes the base of cement. Storage buffers production fluctuations. Cement grinding defines final product fineness.
Mechanical impact converts clinker into fine cement powder.
Gypsum regulates cement setting behavior. Precise dosing ensures predictable cement performance. Pneumatic conveying maintains clean handling.
Inventory monitoring supports production planning. Quality verification operates continuously alongside production.
Material testing confirms compliance with standards. Packaging transforms bulk material into commercial product. Filling accuracy controls net weight. High-speed packing supports large-scale distribution.
Secure sealing prevents material loss.
Robotic stacking improves consistency and safety.
Load geometry supports transport stability.
Protective wrapping prevents moisture exposure. Controlled tension protects bag integrity.
Bulk cement serves large construction projects. Dust control protects environment and equipment.
Distribution begins immediately after production. Inventory supports market demand.
Material handling remains controlled at scale.
Documentation ensures traceability. Logistics integrates seamlessly with production. Digital verification prevents errors. Centralized control stabilizes operations. Data-driven decisions optimize efficiency. Energy flexibility supports sustainability. Environmental compliance is continuously enforced.
Emission systems protect surrounding environment.
Preventive maintenance ensures uptime.
Mechanical health sustains long-term operation. Condition monitoring prevents failure.
Cement manufacturing operates continuously.
Material flow never stops. Scale defines modern cement production. This is industrial cement.
Cement supports global construction.
Compliance is visible. Cement enters international logistics. Transport integrity remains enforced. Production extends beyond the plant. Oversight reinforces accountability.
Process optimization continues constantly.
Thermal stability defines quality.
Storage buffers production scale.
Particle fineness reflects grinding accuracy. Demand drives continuous output. Efficiency integrates into industrial design.
Dust mitigation protects air quality.
Safety integrates into scale. Continuity defines reliability. This is the final cement product. Cement moves into infrastructure.
Visibility supports supply chains.
Coordination replaces fragmentation. Preparedness remains constant. Industrial harmony sustains output. Protection preserves quality.
Industrial output transcends time.
Approval completes production.
Modern civilization depends on cement production. Inside a large-scale industrial cement manufacturing plant.